Bonjour, Ronaldo. Hello, how are you? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Learn with Anubhav. If you have already subscribed to my channel, press the bell icon to get the latest updates. In today's class, we are continuing with CBSE class 12th sample paper solving for the batch 2024-25. Till now, section A has been completed and section C, first four questions are done. In this video, we are completing section C by doing the remaining four questions. Okay, the credit for this sample paper, of course, goes to CBSE. So, sir, I'm just discussing the answers here to help you out. So question number 8 we have done. Question number 9 onwards is what we need to do today. Complétez par un pronom relatif simple ou composé. Unlike class 10th where you have two phrases and you need to join and to rewrite, in class 12th we just have fill in the blanks and you need to decide that okay, simple a sampler will come or composé will come or any of the two can come. Let's see. First, je veux te présenter mes copains dash j'ai fait cette formation. So I want to present to you my friends with whom I did this training. So I gave the answer with whom, avec, qui. Now this isn't really taught in class for CBSE class 10 uh, exam, like to the CBSE class 10 students, prepositions with pronoun relative sampler, right? So there are certain cases where we do use in this manner. Second, c'est mon médecin. Dash, je suis allé hier. Similar thing. So in whose place I went yesterday, right? So chez qui? Preposition and qui. C. C'est une réunion dash je serai présent. Both of them are possible. We have ou, pronative sampler, and to which we need to be, will be present. So à laquelle or at which, to which or at which, like both are the possible translations here. At which sounds better. So it's a union at which I will be present. It's a union where I'll be present. Both of them make sense. So either ou or à laquelle. See, if multiple answers are possible for a blank, ideally it should be mentioned in the marking scheme when the examiners are checking the paper. Okay, so if you feel confused and if you're sure that yes, multiple answers are possible, two, like in this case, two were possible, you can write any one of them. D part, dash moi, no. Voilà les médicaments, dash, il faut faire attention. Faire attention à quelque chose is the full expression, to something, paying attention to something. So, we need to accommodate here. Les médicaments masculine plural. So, plus lesquels becomes auquel. Okay, so we are using pronoun relative composé here, auquel. And E part, we have c'est un avocat compétent dash la fille médecin. So, it's a competent advocate whose daughter is a doctor. Dont. We know it for whose we use pronoun relative sampler dont. Now we have question number 10. Question number 10, complétez avec une préposition. For preposition, be ensure that you are thorough with the prepositions topic because in this question you don't really have the option of prepositions that you have in hand and you need to decide you can do hit and trial. No, that's not the case. Here you need to interpret the meaning of the sentence and then you need to decide the specific preposition. Well, out of 7 questions, you need to do any 4. If you want, you may skip preposition, you may. Because out of 7, it's a very generous choice. The choices are given in a very generous manner. 7 questions are there, do only 4 out of these. You may skip preposition if you face problem with this. Otherwise, prepare well. That's what I would say. Okay. Ma femme a mis des pâtes dash cuire dans une casserole. For cooking in the casserole, right? For cooking. So pour cuire. See, you need to understand the meaning of the sentence. B part. Mon étudiant a décidé dash quitter ses études. De quitter, to quit his studies. Of quitting his studies will be the exact translation. So, de quitter. C part. We have son fils travailla IBM, il gagne 70,000 rupees dash mois per month par mois. He earns 70,000 rupees per month par mois. D part dash mois. Alia Bhatt est la plus belle des actrices. Alia Bhatt is the most beautiful actress according to me. Selon moi. Okay. Selon moi. According to me. So selon moi. According to. E part. Tous mes amis étaient là. Dash ma meilleure amie. Quel dommage. Like all my friends were there except one. Except my best friend. How sad. So, sauf ma meilleure amie. Sauf is without. Oh, sorry, not without. Sans is without. Sauf is except. Okay. Question number 11. Yet another very easy question. Complétez avec des adjectifs ou des pronoms interrogatifs. We know it pretty well. Adjective interrogative will come before the noun. Like if there's a noun after just after the blank, you're using adjective. If there's no noun just after the blank, like a verb directly or any pronoun, you're using your pronoun interrogative, right? And it's like one of the easiest topic if we compare among adjective a pronoun demonstrative, possessive, a interrogative. Interrogative is the easiest one, but we don't have it in class 10. For class 10, you guys had done demonstrative, possessive. Nothing is there in 12th. That's why I always say the syllabus of 12th is a bit easier than class 10th. Actually, it's a bit easier. Number of chapters are also less. Anyways. Hmm. So we have, what do we have in hand? Okay. Maison is the first one. So quelle maison achètes-tu? Which house you buy? Present tense, oh god, doesn't seem to be a perfect fit, but okay. Feminine singular, quelle maison? We know it pretty well in the first blank. A, and which one didn't please you at all? Not a play pas du tout. So A, laquelle in the second blank. B, dash livre lisez-vous et dash avez-vous déjà lu? Which book you are reading and which one didn't, like which one you already have read. So, quel livre, masculine singular, quel livre in the first blank and laquelle in the second. Okay, C part we have dash robe porteront-elle et dash ont-elles rejeté? Which dress she'll wear and which ones she rejected? They rejected. Okay, it's they, L plural. So quelle robe? Feminine singular. Quelle in the first blank and in the second blank also we'll use feminine. Wait, did I just say feminine singular? No, feminine plural. Robe. Feminine plural, plural, plural. Quelle. Lesquelles. Similar, same answer for D because it's we. Cities. Again, feminine, plural. Quelles vi visite-t-il ce weekend et lesquelles a-t-il visité? Could have been. A dash a-t-il visité without S. We would have written laquelle. But here S means in the second blank also we need to do the feminine plural thing, right? So you need to take care. It's not always the case that the nature is exactly the same. Sometimes first one is plural, second is in singular, and vice versa. It's not always the same in the question. So please take care of these small cues in the sentence itself. So A, lesquels. So it's the same answer as C part. E part, restaurant, masculine plural. Quel restaurant aimez-vous et lesquels préfèrent vos amis? Erasing the entire board in 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You may take a screenshot. I am erasing the entire board. because we need to do question number 12. And with question number 12, we'll be done. Like we'll be halfway through. 25 marks grammar, 20 marks comprehension, 45 marks covered, 35 marks to be covered, 15 marks culture civilization, the next two videos. And writing section will take time because I take one question per video, right? Okay, question number 12. Mettez les phrases en bon ordre, réécrivez. Unjumble the sentences. I am directly writing the answers and telling their meanings if necessary. Okay. So make sure in such questions none of the none of the words are skipped and the meaning that is getting formed is correct. Placement of pronouns, placement of the subject, placement of the verb, everything should be correct in order to fetch 5 on 5, like 1 mark each part, right? Slight error, half, full error, 0. Okay. Ils ont vu le dernier film de l'acteur indien hier soir. So they saw the last film of the Indian actor yesterday evening. B. B will be les enfants du médecin parlent plusieurs langues. So the children of the doctor speak several languages. C part. Il n'y a pas de bouteille verte dans le frigo. So there aren't the green bottles in the fridge. D part. Le touriste américain est allé. Make sure to note down the spellings correct from the question paper. Est allé avec sa copine. So the American tourist went there with his friend. And E part, beaucoup les fêtes sont des filles amusées ce jour-là. Okay. Les filles, the mic is working, right? Yeah. Les filles se sont beaucoup amusées. Beaucoup amusées, yeah, with double ES, right? Beaucoup amusées. Le jour de la fête. On the day of the festival. Le jour With this, we are done with the grammar section as well. In the next video, we are going to start the literature part. That is section D. Stay tuned for Judy. That's all for today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Learn from Anubhav. And if you have any doubt or suggestion, you may write it in the comment section below. You may also like my Facebook page by the same name, Learn from Anubhav. See you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Au revoir. N'oubliez pas qu'à l'enfance, c'est l'amour.